Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching with me, Mr. Donald. Well, in this video, I'm going to explain you about how to use simple present tense. Well, one of the function of present tense is used to describe an action that goes on now or at the present moment. Well, to improve your speaking skill, you must listen to me carefully and memorize the story, because I'm going to ask you a story about how to use present tense. You should try to memorize, and then I'm going to ask you some question about it. And you should try to memorize, then you should try to reproduce conversation. Okay? Well, okay, now listen to me carefully. The Sawyers live at number 21 King Street. In the morning, Mr. Sawyer goes to work and the children go to school. Their father takes them to school. Mrs. Sawyer stays at home. She does the housework. She always eats her lunch at noon. Okay, well, we use verb 1 if the subject I, you, we, and they. But for single person like he, she, or it, or in this case Mr. Sawyer or Mrs. Sawyer, we use verb 1 plus s or es after verb 1. Yeah? Okay, listen to me carefully and repeat. Now, the Sawyers live at number 21 King Street. In the morning, Mr. Sawyer goes to work and the children go to school. Their father takes them to school. Mrs. Sawyer stays at home every day. She does the housework. She always eats her lunch at noon. Alright. Do you still remember? Now, I'm going to ask you some questions about it. Well, please answer the questions. Question number 1. Where do the Sawyers live? Where do the Sawyers live? The next question. Does Mr. Sawyer go to work every day? The next question. Do the children go to school every day? The next question, please. Who takes the children to school? Well, the next question. Does Mrs. Sawyer stay at home? Does Mrs. Sawyer stay at home? What does she do at home? What does she do at home? The next question. Does Mrs. Sawyer always eat her lunch at noon? Now, what about you? Do you go to school every day? Do you go to work every day? How do you go to work? What time do you eat lunch? What time do you eat lunch? What time does your school begin? What time does your school begin? What time does your work begin? What time do you go to work? What time do you go to school? What time do you come home? What time do you come home? The last question is, what do you usually do in the evening? Alright, it's clear, right? So you must have partners to reproduce conversation or practice conversation. Well, I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment and share. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.